Greetings, everyone, and happy summer 2022. This is James P. Madonna of the Facebook group Everything is Food. I am now making homemade from scratch blueberry pancakes with organic plump blueberries. All right. No batter that is pre-mixed from the store. Absolutely from scratch. And here, with that heat diffuser, I melted some organic coconut sugar from Trader Joe's that I will use as a pancake syrup. All right. No chemical-laden garbage. No toxic pancake syrup for me. And I put all the ingredients in here. All right, the organic, unbleached, all-purpose wheat flour, the organic blueberries, cinnamon powder, a cup of oat milk, but good oat milk. No, not oat milk with gums and sugar and all kinds of garbage. You know, simple oat milk, filtered water, organic extra virgin olive oil in both the batter and the pan. And there's plenty of plump organic blueberries. I don't mess around. I haven't had pancakes, I would say it was before the pandemic. That's how long it's been, 2020. I haven't had them. Well, this one is about ready to turn over. I have a large rectangular cast iron griddle in the stove, but it takes two jets. I mean, it's pretty big. It was on clearance in this store that doesn't exist anymore, National Wholesale Liquidators. It was on clearance for only $10, and I grabbed it immediately. Normally they cost like $30 to $40. All right. There we go. So many blueberries, one of them decided to take a trip. Okay. All right, there you go. Can't kill them, man. Cast iron, if you know how to take care of them, they'll last for generations. That's providing the next generation that inherits it also knows how to take care of it. So, that's it. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. The end of July 2022. And that's it. Have a good weekend, people. And don't forget to catch me on my weekly live stream show on YouTube, Progressive Discussions. I am also on Tumblr and Twitter, besides YouTube and Facebook, all under Progressive Discussions. I've been doing this, I would say, video-wise since 2007, and podcast-wise several years before that. Take care. Have a good weekend.